welcome back to the Slay Zone. It's your girl Jay. Thanks for tuning back in. If you are a returning subscriber, and if you're new, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell next to it to get all of my new notifications. And while you're at it, follow all of my social media handles. And let's get straight into this video. So before we get started, I just want to send my deepest and sincerest prayers and hopes to those who are fighting against breast cancer at this moment, and to those who have lost a loved one. My deepest condolences goes out to you and yours. This wig was sent to me by MOTOWNTRESS. I won it in a giveaway. Woohoo, go me. It is their deep part lace wig. It does come with baby hair. As you see, it comes in multiple colors. These two colors here are just what's on the info card, but I believe it comes in about 6 colors. All beautiful ombre tri-colors, like beautiful wig. Now straight out the box, I was a little like, wait, what? This doesn't match the wig. As you see, it doesn't match it, but I must say this version is actually better than the model's version. This is in the color Pink Jazz. It's their LDP Jazz 24 wig. It is a 6-inch ear-to-ear wig, and to top it off, to those who love rocking that frontal look, it comes with baby hairs. Sis, you can finesse this to look like a whole frontal. I'm telling you, it doesn't even look or feel like a synthetic wig. Like, this is so pretty. Such a pretty wig. Such a pretty wig. Take a moment to get into this bomb makeup. If you would like to know how I achieved this look, there is a mini tutorial on my Instagram at Slaywitjayy, and all of the details on what I used is in the caption. Okay, so this is straight out the box, straight onto my head. Boom. You see these colors? Like, these colors are so vibrant, guys. Like, this is really pretty. It's so pretty. Very soft. It definitely is a little fitted. I'm gonna have to say it's slightly big head friendly, but you would have to really adjust it and play in it to see how it works for you. Like, it's full of body. It definitely has, you know, that fullness. Now, just to show you the inside, this is the standard look for the wig. It has 2 front combs on the front, of course, and in the back it has 1 standard clip. This is definitely going to be needed because of how it's constructed, and then it has the adjustable straps. My head is big, so it definitely was already fitted on my end, but the body, like, guys, this hair is so pretty. Like, do you see that? The waves in it is just, that body wave is really bomb. Can't front. They did their thing with this. And even when I put it on, like, it seamlessly just went boom. Like, look at that. Didn't even put no makeup or any concealer on it yet. Y'all see this? So bomb. So as you see, the wig is nicely constructed. Very simple, very standard wig construction with the caps and the adjustable straps. Now, I must say, being that the lace is tinted, it did seamlessly melt into my skin. And if you are a baby hair person, you can easily make this little wig look like a whole frontal, sis. Make it look like you spent your dollars. Now, I will say that this wig is inexpensive. I'll have a link down below if you want to check out the exact wig itself, and you can purchase it, because I would honestly say this is worth the dollars. Now, just a small little disclaimer about the wig. The wig does tangle just a little bit. Like I said, a little bit of shedding, nothing too crazy. The wig itself is really soft. It holds its bump. Like, I don't think it would be necessary to put heat to it. But it is, however, a curling iron safe wig up to 400 degrees. Sis, don't test your limits. Don't go putting 400 degrees to your synthetic wig. Not everything may hold up. You don't know what's gonna happen. So, you know, just take it a few notches down before you go putting your curling iron to it. Now, one last disclaimer about this wig. The top is a little teased, so I feel like you can feel like the little hairs in it, like they tease it to give it a fullness. But I must honestly say the wig itself is still very nicely done. Like, this is very nicely done. It falls very beautifully. It has its own life. Like, sis, really nice. I feel like this wig is definitely a must buy. It's very manageable. I must honestly say, after playing through it, it's still really nice. Like, even with the little small shedding and tangling, it's really nice. Like, this is a really nice wig. So after everything has been said and done, From testing it with a flat iron to brushing it out, this wig is super dope, guys. I would honestly say spend your coins on a MOTOWNTRESS. You did your thing, even down to the tinted lace. Like, this is definitely worth the buy. As you've seen, it's full of body, it's full of life, it swings. I can't swing personally, can't swing my neck because I had a car accident, so it doesn't work for me that I can't swing, but it definitely does the job. It's definitely a nice wig. So that concludes this review. If you want to check out more slays, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you didn't do it in the beginning of the video, and go check out the mini tutorial on this bomb look on my Instagram at Slaywitjayy. Thanks for tuning back in, guys, and I'll see you next time.